42. Can you run a 27 and a 28 for me, please?
Hey, Mama, can you put on the back window as well? I just gotta be able to see who's in the car. You guys just left Woo's house? No? Okay, they're saying you did. So before I have to get them all over here, confirm, deny, see we got the baby in the car and all that, just tell me what happened in your words.
I took my baby out.
Okay.
I guess they thought I was sweet because they see jewelry and all this. They just tried to put a $300-something bill on me. It was only me and my son at 8.
Okay.
So I go there all the time, like familiar. I know how much it is when we pay.
Right.
They tried to put a whole $300 bill on me, and I wasn't finna do that.
Okay.
I told them
Did you try to talk to them before then?
I did, but that's what it was. It was really the other people that just walked out. It was a man and a lady that was with each other.
And they probably assumed
really
y'all was together.
Exactly. They assumed that we was
they
together.
They could have recorded that too. I hope they got some type of footage of those people that.
I got you.
So I came to pick my people up.
Exactly. She came and picked us up. That was that.
Okay.
They really thinking that we was with the other people and they don't have nothing to do with us.
Right.
They just let the other people just walk freely out. I paid what I had to. I gave them $100. It didn't have nothing to do with us.
You did pay them?
Yeah, the other people, they left.
Okay. You got your ID?
Who, me?
Yeah. Who's on there? Just you and the baby?
Yeah.
I see the baby in the back, yeah.
That's my son's birthday.
This car registered to you? Sure. All right, give me 1 second.
The people that walked out, bring their bill too.
All right, so
Bring their bill.
just hear me out. They just described you as being
I
there as
did
well.
come in there, but that's. I'm gonna come in there and get. I'm gonna come in there and help what's mine for sure. But I ain't just
Okay,
nobody.
cool. So it's two different prices I have here. Because he's separated amongst people. He's being
It's
fair.
4.
Okay, but he gave me two prices. He said it was two people. He identified you both. So let me finish. I don't know what's going on with nobody else. I'm going to do one thing at a time, right? $56.94 is what he's stating that you own, Miss Doble.
The $56.94.
And $195.78 for you.
I'm not on my damn grandma. What we finna do? Y'all think y'all finna lock me up for $195? Because that's what the finna do then. Because on my kids, I'm not giving
So that's the only other option that y'all.
Because I'm not finna do that. Y'all let
It don't.
somebody
Okay.
else walk out.
If
On
you
my
want me to
kids, I don't
speak,
have-
let me speak.
But I'm telling you,
Here's the only options, okay? They said you guys can pay it back what the bill is,
The
I'm not-
and
195.
or in the $56.90. Okay.
Let me tell you something.
Otherwise, they want to sign complaints and have you guys brought in for that. Yes, that's the options right now.
Who was y'all?
Both of you
I'm
two.
not going nowhere.
Okay.
All y'all white shirt do whatever.
The white
y'all
shirts who I just spoke with and told me
tell
that.
Tell him to come right here.
It ain't gonna make a
That's what I'm
difference. And
trying to
listen,
explain.
and let me explain something, okay?
He's not gonna make me pay for two other
Okay,
people that walked
let
out.
me
I would give the
explain
So
something.
when we
150
looked
for
at the
my
bill,
own food.
when we looked at
But
the
I'm
bill,
not
it's
gonna
like,
give
what's
up
all
no
this? And he came
So-
back with
That's
another
y'all got me
bill.
so fucked up.
That's what
This
confused
is where
us.
we
So
at.
why is you coming with a separate
This
bill
is-
when all of this is not ours?
This is where we at. I don't
So-
know what was there until we
That's
was
what I'm
there,
trying to
right?
explain to you.
But
Why
I'm
would
going by
somebody
what they
willing
say.
to go out?
Okay.
Dude, this is what
I'm
I'm saying
not
to you. It's
doing
her
it.
baby birthday. Why would
I
we
hear
want to
that.
steal food?
And I'm not trying to do this in
I'm
front of the
not
kids.
doing it on
So
my
can
damn
you
grandma. I
please
got
bring it
450
down?
for
This
that
the
bitch
thing.
ass. I ain't got it.
Bring
On
it,
my
This the
bring it
thing.
down.
I ain't doing shit because now
Bring it
y'all
down.
telling me I'm gonna get locked up for somebody
He
else.
came back with two.
Can't
So
pay
she's
for no
looking at the
grown
bill
ass
like,
people.
why
Y'all
would
got
you
me
with a we not with
I don't
them?
know.
And so this is what I'm
But
telling
this
you
is
what's
the
going
thing.
on because they
This is
telling you
what they
some
gave
harder
us.
shit.
And that's where
I
we
know
at,
what they
okay?
gave y'all, but I'm giving
So
you what
where are we
happened.
going from this?
And they got
Because
camera. I don't want
just
nothing from it.
pay-
I'm just trying to
Just
explain
pay
to
the
you.
money and y'all go about your day.
We not paying shit
Because
on my grandma. I
you
got
missed
Got
the
the
boat
one-
to be in a
the
deeper
one-
situation, and I'm
I
not going
got
that way.
150 for that
The
ass.
one,
Because I know you
that's
wanna keep your
cool, 'cause
car.
that's the real bill.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
I
The
got
extra
one-
shit that he put on there, he come back with this separate bill
So
saying this,
what
that,
are
no.
we going to do?
The 190, so what is 175 was it? 175 or whatever, that's our party, that extra shit, all that almost $60 to $70 extra, that's not it. That's what she explained to him, but he came back with another bill. Miss Wright, he came back with another bill, so he's not comprehending what's going on. I'm not no thief, I'm not gonna steal no food and all that.
So mama, listen to
I
me.
don't know why that she upset about it
I'm gonna
because
deal
she
with
is
your
my
friend in a
sister.
second.
But she's upset about it because they lying. Like we,
Listen to me.
I don't give a from me.
Your situation a little bit different.
huh?
I'm not explaining shit to them because I told them that
I'm
before
trying
we
not to
Yeah.
take it to that point.
Yeah.
Situation.
Y'all got my baby
You get what I'm saying?
back.
I'm not trying to you over.
Yeah,
All
that
right.
too, but I have been letting her drive too, but
But right now,
the
you're
baby.
driving.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to you over. Because that
Yeah.
$56 can turn to $2,000 real quick.
Right.
Listen to me. I'm not talking to your baby. And please tell your sister to calm down, because I'm not trying. You get what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna calm down.
I'm not trying to make
not,
this
y'all ain't
situation.
finna stick no bill on me.
I'm
Yeah, I'll
trying not. She
Yeah, but
can't drive either. Do you hear what I'm saying to you right now? Please, just keep it here, because my sergeant on his way. And I don't want him to take it to another level,
It's not
especially with
trying to
all we can do. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying, Mom?
Yes, we understand about the bill.
$56.
It's
See,
just
somebody
the
can
fact-
cash out.
it's-
I
it ain't
get
even
it.
about the cash up or nothing.
I get it.
Now,
It's about the
we'll pay-
principle.
We'll pay, but that other shit, that's not
I
right.
hear
That's
you.
not fair. That's like y'all finessing and y'all getting down. Now, when y'all take it out, why is y'all bringing another bill? That's not.
That'd be something
That's
you have to
not.
deal with them
No,
civilly.
it don't go like that.
Okay.
It don't go like
So I'm
that.
telling you how it can go, right? And
So
I'm
they
trying to
come-
be
So
decent,
the
because I
man is
understand.
coming to get the payment.
He's on his way over here for a show up, just to confirm. But if y'all can do the payment, that'd be great. And I'll get y'all in the way.
Because nobody's denying anything.
I know. I mean, when I first walked up, it was a little denying time. I was like, come on, now bullshit me. Because I've been doing this for 10 years. I ain't got time for that. I see these babies in the car, my mom, I ain't trying to take it to that point. Okay? But like I said, it's babies in this car.
This restaurant dispute raises 6 distinct legal issues that determine whether the arrest survives judicial review. Issue 1. Probable cause for misdemeanor arrest. Under Atwater versus Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, decided in 2001, the Supreme Court held that an officer may execute a full custodial arrest for any offense supported by probable cause, including fine-only misdemeanors. The $40 discrepancy at the heart of this dispute does not insulate the driver from arrest. Dollar amount is not a constitutional defense. Issue 2. How probable cause is measured. Under Devenpeck versus Alford, 543 U.S. 146, 2004, probable cause is evaluated against the objective facts known to the officer at the moment of decision, not against the defendant's later explanation. 3 objective facts existed here: a sworn complaint from the establishment, an admission of partial payment, and a confirmed exit before settlement. Under most state theft of services statutes, leaving an establishment after consuming services without full payment satisfies the actus reus element on its face. The driver's billing dispute argument is a defense to be raised at trial. It is not a bar to arrest. That distinction is dispositive. Issue 3. Search incident to arrest. Under Chimel versus California, 395 U.S. 750, 2, 1969, and reaffirmed in United States versus Robinson, 414 U.S. 2, 18, 1973. A search of the person following lawful custodial arrest requires no separate warrant or independent probable cause. The pat-down executed here, and the seizure of personal property accompanying the arrestee falls squarely within that established doctrine.
They can be taken from you right now. You get what I'm saying, Mama? Yeah. Come on, work with me, please.
What a man that
They on their way.
stole.
They on their way.
Yeah, tell them to come on. Cause all I got is 150. All together what they get, $200.
Like, give somebody the baby. Don't have the baby out here in the rain.
He cool. He cool. Y'all only got to see me for a second.
I really don't hope she thinks that baby gonna stop anything from happening, because that ain't how that works. Just stand right there. Oh, 5. So what we doing about payment?
And I got that for them right here.
So you got the 195.
I got the 155. I don't have
78.
no 195 shit. They
Can
stop
somebody
putting it
come
on
up
my
with the
bill.
extra money?
No, that's not my bill. That's that lady and that man. Drinks ain't not
Or anything like that they weren't together. That's what the passenger said.
The passenger also lied and said she wasn't there at first, and now she also lied and said she wasn't there at first. Told her stop bullshitting.
She lost whatever argument she has on. When I fucking watch her moving, running out of the business, I'll pay for it.
Gotcha.
So she either
She also said
out which I done if she wants discrepancies, or she's getting arrested and they're throwing the vehicle.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay. So at this point, they just want payment.
And at this point, I got 150 for that.
They need the full payment. And Mom, I'm gonna be quite frank, honest with you. They're looking at
Whatever. I don't want
bring you in,
I don't give a
but I do, because you got these kids in the car. Come on, don't do all that.
You ain't
Don't
gotta
do all
keep
that.
talking about this car. I'm one person. These kids in this
I'm
car
saying
ain't got
you
nothing
have
to do with
kids
me.
in the car. If
Okay,
you're a
but
mom,
this
let's
don't
show a
have
better
nothing to do with
example.
me. Stop talking to me. Where your wife at? Stop talking to me.
Right here, he's saying lock you up.
You ain't saying shit. Where you at? How
Right
you gonna
here.
lock me up? Where
Because
at?
you refusing to
Okay,
pay.
let me talk to him. I ain't refusing shit. I said
341, you guys go 10 for?
150 is not 195. Do you have the rest of your money, Miss?
I ain't paying for
I'm
nobody
not
else.
going to talk to her no more because it's the other way. Miss Dover, do you have your
It is.
for you
Right.
56.94?
Central 322.
Where y'all white shirt at? Y'all want me to get in the car with him?
He's right here.
All right, let me go over here.
I'm transferring one man from Crash back to Lago.
I'll be out there.
2158.
No, over here, Miss Ma'am. Don't walk in the street.
Okay,
over
watch
here.
out. Don't come by me. I don't even want you by me. Watch out.
That ain't how that works.
Yes, it is. I don't want
Talk to my
you. Excuse
sergeant.
me, sir. My bill was $155. It was 2 other people that was with us. I'm thinking he probably put their drinks on my stuff. I don't mind paying what I have. I go to this place all the time. I've got my son, he had chicken. I had steak, shrimp, and what's it called, and my other son had shrimp. You can tell him add all that shit together. I bet you ain't gonna come out to no 190 nothing.
Issue 4. Miranda timing. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 468 U.S. 420-1980. 4. Miranda warnings are required only before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest, and not for spontaneous or volunteered statements. No Miranda warning appears on this footage. That is permissible only if no post-arrest interrogation occurs. Any subsequent questioning without warning would be suppressed. Issue 5. Coercive use of child welfare framing. The lead officer stated that the children present could be taken from the driver immediately. Civil contract enforcement and child protection assessment are separate legal frameworks under every state child welfare code in the United States. Weaving the two together creates a coercion appearance that defense counsel will raise on suppression motions and that civilian review boards routinely flag. The proper procedure is an independent referral to the state child protection agency, documented separately from the underlying criminal investigation. Issue 6. Equal enforcement. The driver identified 2 additional individuals who allegedly left without payment. The officer documented the claim, but did not pursue identification. Selective enforcement of a generally applicable statute can support a 14th Amendment equal protection challenge if a defense can establish a pattern. A single instance is rarely enough, but the evidentiary gap created by ignoring co-suspects becomes a recurring theme in defense cross-examination.
I had one lemonade.
The moment you walked out without paying your bill, you lost any argument. You want to take it up in civil court with Wu's house? By all means, we document that. You can do so.
I'll be out in 8 hours. I ain't
As
fucked
of
up
right
about
now, they want to pursue complaints for theft of service.
I get
That means
that.
you get arrested for not paying the bill that you walked out on.
I know that.
Okay, so we document it. If you want to take Wu's up in civil court and pursue those $40 that you say you didn't pay for,
I'm not
you do
doing
that.
it.
That's fine. But then we're gonna
So
arrest
what?
you. And
Okay,
tow
so
the car.
y'all gonna arrest me for $40?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I pay the $150, y'all still gonna arrest me for the petty $40?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the bill that's a request. If you would have called us to help you with the discrepancy of a bill, that's one thing. When you fucking walked out, that's
I
an entirely
sure
different
did.
thing.
You're right, I did.
So are we
Y'all
paying
didn't
them?
even
We
get
paying them
Stop talking to me.
We're there to help you. If you call us, we're not there to help. You're not
too
the
much
victim
talking
when
from
you
me.
walk out on a bill.
Uh-huh. I didn't say I was, sir.
I know that. But
I'm not about paying it. I'll pay the shit. It's the principle, but you not just trying to stick no shit on me. It's today my baby birthday.
I get it.
Y'all just gonna put some other bills on me. They let the other people walk out. Why you ain't call the police on the other people that walked out
We
too?
document it. We document
Why
it.
you ain't call the police on the other people that walked out too? The one that really had the bill, both of the people with the 2 hats on. Why you ain't call the police on
We're
them?
past that
That
point,
shit
okay?
weird as hell. No, we not. We stuck here, but come on.
That's right.
Where your
You
thing
get
at?
arrested. That's right.
Where your thing at? Where your
Are you
thing at?
paying the $195?
Stop talking to me. Where your thing at? Let me go
She's
ahead.
95. That's fine.
Come on. I just said, why you?
Sorry.
Do not resist.
Gonna get tased.
Nope.
You're gonna get
Do not
tased.
resist.
Okay, I'm not resisting.
Move your
I'm not
hand.
resisting. Give
Thank
my
you.
phone. Give my phone.
I got it, mamas.
Give my phone.
I got it. All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
can
come
I
with
have
you.
my watch, please? 'Cause I don't want my watch for processing.
Everything
get
you
it back
got on
after.
you is going with you, okay?
Please, I really don't
No,
want
we're
to.
past that point because I gave you ample opportunities.
No, I just said, but how you gonna get mad because I asked stop talking to me, baby?
It's not about stop talking. We just gave you opportunities. You can let your arm go.
I did. I was asking because she stopped talking to
One
me.
female, 95.
Okay, you ain't gonna
Can you hold
grab me
that?
like that. You already locked me up. Let
Can
me
you hold
go.
her phone for me? I gotta pat her down.
You talking about I ain't going nowhere but to the station and back home.
She's counting the money. She's counting the money.
I don't have nothing. You don't have to touch me. I don't
Face
have
towards
nothing.
them.
I don't have nothing though. You ain't gotta touch me.
I
I don't
do have
have
to pat
shit.
you down.
I don't have nothing, baby.
hear
You wanted
you.
to be aggressive for no reason. I just told y'all as I was finna pay them. You talking about you just want to be evil
Just
as
watch
hell.
your steps.
All right, watch out. Let me here get this. Let my baby get this blanket. Could I please look?
Watch yourself. We're gonna still try to figure it out, but you gotta calm
We
down.
gonna figure it out.
You just told
'Cause
Sir
y'all-
you ain't paying shit.
No, I didn't. I was talking to you because you said he want to keep telling me something. I'm talking to him.
We're done figuring it out. We're going to
Okay,
jail now.
sir. Well, I'm not going to jail. Nothing. I'm
have a
asking
seat. Let
her.
me go try to figure
Could
this
you
out.
please take my watch off? If you want to take me to jail, I'll go to jail.
I don't want to take you to jail. This the part you missing.
Could you
I
just
need you
please
to
take my
bring
watch
it
off?
down. Sit right here because I gotta put you in the seatbelt.
I
I'm
just
not
want
trying to take you to jail, but I got to do my job, especially if
get
you're not
that.
working with nobody. Come on.
I get that. I just want you to take my watch off. Wherever y'all gonna take me, y'all can take me. Just take
You're
my
going
watch
to get it
off.
back.
No, I don't even want it to go to processing.
Whatever go with you, sweetheart, it comes with you when you leave out of here.
I don't. That's what I'm saying. I don't even want it to go with me. Could y'all please, if anything, if y'all gonna take me, please let her get my watch.
She told us many times in many versions she ain't paying us that, so she going to jail. Did I not try to work?
They just FaceTime said they'll pay it or whatever it is. So
Why
she
we
don't
couldn't
go
get to that point
I'm
beforehand?
trying to, like,
How long
but
have
the
I been
thing
standing
is,
here in this rain trying to work with you?
Because she was already still upset and
I
living
don't
with
care
them people
about her
and
being
how.
upset.
Yeah, I get what you're saying too.
You
but
could
at
have
the
helped
same
out. You could have
time,
got that 5 minutes ago.
Again, I can't go off somebody else.
I know, you
with their
can't kick
emotions
her
after she
with
had
nobody
just
else.
went through what she was going through with them, explaining to them what was going on. They let
I
the
got
people
you,
leave
sweetheart.
and split 2 bills when y'all put all the stuff on one
But
bill
that's something
already.
we try to
And they
explain to
split
y'all.
2
Y'all have to
bills.
handle with
And we were
tight
trying
tongue.
to, and they was not
After the
trying to hear
fact.
none of that. It went on. That's why I said y'all can run cameras back. I don't know if
They
got
did, and they
volume.
saw y'all was
They
run
got
out of there.
volume. Nobody ran.
Nobody paid.
Nobody ran.
But you give
So
me
if y'all
nobody
got, they
paid.
got volume. You'll hear what's going on. It look how it look, but they don't have value. But it looked crazy, but it wasn't like
You got your
not running
56.
for no
She
food and
paid
all
her
that
food
stuff.
already.
She paid hers already?
She paid for her food.
All right.
Yep,
And I
money
still
was
feel
good.
like
All right.
I'm paying for somebody else shit.
She gonna go to 9420 South Kidsy, okay? Let me get you out here so no more other questions I ask.
Yeah.
You got me?
She paid her bill.
Go ahead. 9420 South Kidsy, all right?
Yeah.
She wants
Let's see when it's up with the baby.
her cousin to have